Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Today we will take a peek on the Plaza Magsaysay of Dipolog, and I will give you a brief history of the city.
My school days lonely and so blue. Just watching you from shade of glass.
Officially, the city of Dipolog is a component city and capital of the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Earliest recorded political history of Dipolog started in 1834 with the reorganization of the Spanish provincial government of Misamis. At that time, Tulwanan's political territory was still part of the municipality of Dapitan, with Don Domingo Ruiz, a native, as its capitan or town executive. Sometime that year, a Spanish Recollet missionary arrived in Tulwanan looking for its Badu executive or local chieftain. Upon meeting a native, the missionary asked, "Donde está el capitán?" or "Where is the captain?" The native, understanding only the word "capitan," pointed to the west and said in Subanen, "Dipag," meaning across the river. Guided by his servant, a Tagalog boy named Antonio Subido, the missionary proceeded downriver and upon reaching the Boholano settlement, named the place Dipag. By July 1, 1913, Governor John J. Pershing declared Dipolog as a municipality. General Pershing also appointed Pascual Tan Martinez, who was appointed the municipal president of Dapitan since 1910 as its first municipal mayor. On June 21, 1969, through the effort of former Congressman Alberto Ubay, President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. signed into law the Republic Act Number 5520, making Dipolog a chartered city effective January 1, 1970. The date is both significant and historic as that coincided with the Apollo 11 launching, which carried the first man to the moon on June 21, 1969. Mayor Felicissimo Herrera was the last municipal mayor and the first city mayor of Dipolog.